video, kind of. Basically, it's what it is. Paul is gonna be sending me his little emoji combinations, okay, of little emojis, clearly, and then I'm going to try and make up a slime out of it. You'll see, it's very simple. So, straight on into the video. Yo! So, Paul, I need you to send me the first emoji combination. Looks like we have a strawberry, a lemon, and an ice cube. That looks like strawberry lemonade from first glance, so I'm gonna go with that. And I have strawberry and Fimos and stuff like that. The ice cube is where I'm a little confused. Do you want an icy slime or a jelly cube slime? Both. I'm gonna go with jelly cube. I got all my ingredients, let's go! I decided I'm gonna make it more like a... Sorry, I just had to appreciate that clear slime for a second. I decided to make it more like a restaurant where they give you like a lemonade and then they put like that strawberry reduction. Okay, so first we're gonna make the strawberry reduction by getting some of my clear slime, just a little bit. Just like a third. For the strawberry reduction, we are gonna be putting red food coloring. I think it's gonna be a pretty deep red because strawberry reduction is usually a very deep red. Ooh, this looks cool. Oh, yeah. I don't know what my obsession is with just clear red slime, but I die for it. It's really pretty. We're gonna add our glitter into there. This is kind of my attempt of making it look kind of like strawberry seeds. And now that I look at it, I think I added far too much glitter in here. But you know what? It's gonna be a sparkly lemonade, okay? Here it is. Now, we need the strawberry scent. Clearly, I need to do, instead of fixing this slime challenges, I need to be doing fix this counter challenges because this counter is sticking to my slime. I'm adding strawberry Fimo slices into here. There we go. Nice and strawberry. Because our strawberry reduction is all natural with real strawberry pieces, no artificial flavors. So I'm gonna jelly cube. I just want these to soak up the slime, and then once that soaks up, I'm gonna crunch them all up. I think I'm tasting the sponge now. Once those all crunched up, it's gonna have like a nice little jelly texture, like a strawberry reduction, like squished little strawberries in a strawberry pot, just like strawberry syrup reduction thing. I think about it, all the lemonade needs is really just yellow and some lemon slices. Also guys, it's okay, don't worry. Okay, so we have this yellow slime, and we're gonna put some lemon scent into it. There we go. And some yellow food coloring. And now we have a lava lamp. It's a slime lava lamp. I don't think there's enough oil in there for that, but it is an idea. And every idea is worth trying except some of them because some of them are bad. But this one, good. I can feel it. I forgot the lemons. Add some lemons in there. Done. Okay, now we wait for these two bad boys. I'm gonna put them together on the side and we gotta wait for them to fall in love with each other so that I can put this one and this one and I squish them together and then we got a new slime and that's how it goes. Let's check on it though. This can't be happening. I don't want this. Boop. Well, that does that. Paul, could you please send me the next emoji combination, please? Okay, we got a butterfly, a sparkle emoji, and a star emoji. So I guess it's gonna be like a butterfly sparkle slime. That sounds pretty fun. Okay, we got some good ideas, Paul. Let's go get the supplies for that. I'm back! Okay, so for my butterfly slime, butterfly sparkle star slime, I got a lot of sparkles. I'm making a clear slime, and it's gonna look real good. Which also, by the way, guys, I did get scent for it. It's a sweet pea type scent, and I got this like a really long time ago. I didn't know what it was, but it sounded cool, sweet pea. Apparently, I think it's like the smell of a perfume. I don't know, but I thought it'd be perfect for this. But then I realized I'm making a clear slime, so it's not perfect for this. Let's go. I just realized I don't think I need this pink food coloring, so we're also gonna put that away. And let's make our butterfly slime. So first we're gonna add butterfly glitter because the butterfly emoji duh. And then we also have a sparkle emoji, which is also like a sarcastic emoji, like favorite emoji. And then there's a star. I lost my stars, I don't know where the heck they are, but c'est la vie. And there we go. That is my base of this slime. Now I could just end it there because that's basically all it is. I'm gonna add some pink glitter because butterflies are pink. And then I also got this other pink glitter that's like a chunky one, but it's got like this iridescent color and I thought it reminded me of like wings. We're gonna add some holographic glitters and then I am not gonna be putting food coloring. I'm actually gonna be putting a dab of pink pigment into the slime. There we go. That's good. I love it. Amazing. I think lastly, I'm just gonna dab it, sprinkle it all off with flowers because butters that fly like flowers. So let's mix this all together, baby. I think I might have went a little too much on the holographic glitters. A little too much. I think I'm gonna add a dash of pink food coloring. I want it to be like a really nice light color. I kind of messed that up with the holographic glitters that I put. I like it. It's that perfect, very light pink that I want. I can barely even see the pigment in there, so that's perfect. And yeah, I'm done. This is my butterfly slime. I think it's really pretty. You know what? I actually really like it. I'm super into it. Oh, I love this. I don't know if you guys can see the butterfly glitters in there and stuff, but they're there and they look amazing. I'm done with my butterfly slime and I think it turned out really good. Let's go back to the strawberry. How do you feel about the yellow slime? I think it's soaked enough. Nope. This one's not. This one's still dry. What about this one? No, this one either. It's a little crunchy. It's not ready yet. On to the next one. All right, Paul, send me the next emoji combo. All right, a rainbow, a cloud, and a tornado. I already have the perfect idea for this. I am going to obviously get rainbows. Let's get a cloud. So we're gonna do cloud cream and then a tornado, which just means like spin around. So it's gonna be like a rainbow cloud twist. That sounds great to me. Okay, so first I gotta get all my little colorings out. Got all the colors. Now I need to get some incense now and some slime and we're gonna make a rainbow cloud twist. Okay, I got all my stuff. So first things first, I'm gonna make this cloud cream. So we're gonna be using this much slime, instant snow right here, and then our water, and then my favorite part. Okay, that should be good. Doesn't it look so cool? I love it so much. That should be good enough. I've never added instant snow in like this. I don't know why I'm doing it. Crunchy though. Okay, this is actually like the perfect amount of cloud cream apparently. So now since it's like this, a little less amount of cloud cream if you have a hard time with cloud cream because cloud cream can be a cloud bee. As you guys can see, it's like more doughy and it doesn't like stay together too much. So what I like to do is I add shaving cream. For some reason that makes it stay together. And then after the shaving cream, because the shaving cream kind of dries it out, I put lotion to it. There we go, and let's mix it. And don't be worried because like it'll take some time to mix in and even like become a little bunch of like clumps, but just keep mixing. However, yeah, you can add way too much shaving cream, so be careful with that. So it's getting kind of like rippy, but you just keep on squishing. But you guys can already see that the cloud cream is kind of staying together already. Look at that. That's much better. Now I'm gonna add some lotion and finish it up. Okay, as you can see, it is all nice and that was really cool. It was like a spider web. I think I'm finally done with the cloud cream. It came out perfect. Now I gotta get rid of this instance now. Now we've got this nice dough. This is like cooking. It's kind of funny. Now we gotta chop it up into 7 different colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one's too big. Okay, it's all right. We've got our pieces. Okay, I think that's even enough. Now let's make our colors. Ooh, this is taking a while. I need to I'm gonna make these vibrant, so lots of food coloring. There's red, orange, yellow, green, blue. Oh, that was a lot. Purple and pink. So I'm gonna help him a little bit and then I will put them together in the container. Okay, I got them all fixed up. Now we gotta make this into a rainbow and then twist it and then put it inside of the 8-ounce. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and pink. Oh, it looks like a flower. Push it all together. We roll it like this, then we twist it, and then we put it in the container. Ta-da! There we go. Oh, this is so freaking pretty. I love it. It's so beautiful. Okay, and there we are. It's kind of crazy to think that that beautiful thing just turned into this black slime. It looks pretty cool though. It's not like an icky color. It's just a nice black slime. Done with that one, Paul. I need you to send me the next emojis.
No comments this time. Beep boop 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 beep.
Okay. Literally just a banana and a glass of milk. That's really creative, Paul. I'm back, and this is a simple one. It literally is just a banana and a glass of milk. So here we go. We got some white slime, dab of yellow, boop, banana females. I love the banana females, they're so pretty. And then some banana scent, and now we mixed it together. I just realized I completely forgot about that strawberry syrup slime, so I gotta check on that after this. All right, I'm done. Here is banana milk. Top it off with some more bananas, and there, banana milk. I'm done with that. Banana milk. Well, I need the next emoji combination. Oh, there you go. Okay, we got a candy, a white dot, and a candy. That one's more difficult, I'm not gonna lie. I'm back, and the best thing I could come up with for this slime is a cotton candy like Floam, because that white thing kind of reminds me of a foam bead, so we're gonna go with that. But before we do that, now that I think about it, I still haven't checked on my strawberry reduction. Will it squish, guys? Oh yeah, it's squishing. I don't think it's fully there. Like, I think it could soak a little bit more, but at this point, I'm just gonna start breaking it apart so it could soak faster too. You know what would probably been a good idea is if I would have made these into like really small pieces already. I could have just easily done that. Okay, and my strawberry reduction's done. It actually looks so good. It looks like actual like strawberries in there. It looks like strawberry syrup. This is perfect. Put that to the side, and we will assemble that slime after. With this slime, I'm making a Floam, like I said, so I was gonna change these two parts into, my goodness, strawberry is getting everywhere. Gotta change this into pink and blue, very light. And I also have some cotton candy scent that I just realized I should have put in the beginning, and now I have to do it 3 times, but it's okay. Okay, we got it. These are such pretty colors. Okay, I'm gonna put the scent in now. There we go. I love this scent so much. Okay, now we add our foam beads. I'm gonna be putting pink in the pink one. Okay, now we add the blue into the blue. Okay, I'm all done. Okay, I'm gonna put half of it the blue, and then half of it's gonna be the pink, and then I'm gonna top it off with these candy sprinkles. It looks so cute. I got these candy sprinkles, and I'm done. My cotton candy Floam. This is beautiful. Yeah. That's the stuff right there. I haven't made a cotton candy slime in way too long, and it looks so beautiful. Yeah, this is beautiful. And it's turning into like a really pretty color, and you can see the colors of the foam beads, not the fishbowl beads. Wow, this slime, mwah, love it. It's so pretty. I love this one. Okay, now it's time to assemble the lemonade one, because I never did it. Okay, we got our lemonade. This smells really good. And we got our strawberry jelly right here, our reduction, our syrup. We're gonna pour that into the bottom of the cup, and then our lemonade, and there it is. It's so pretty. I did not make enough. I don't know why I didn't fill this up all the way, but it is also still so pretty. I love this. Now we mix this strawberry lemonade slime. Yeah, that smells so good. Ah, I love it, and it's such a pretty color. Ooh, this looks good. Okay, well guys, that is all 5 of the emoji combo slimes. I think I did a pretty good job. I don't know what my favorite would be. I think it might be this cotton candy one, because I really love the beats and the crunchiness and the colors and everything. Mwah. Butterfly one was also a star. It's so pretty. It literally came out exactly the way I wanted it to. All right, we're gonna do these 2 are my top 2 favorites, and I'm gonna leave it at that, and that's all you guys are gonna get. Comment down below if you guys want me to do another emoji combo one. This was really fun, and make sure you press that like button and the subscribe button to help me out, because that would be nice. That's it. I'll use much. It really help. Bye. See you next time. Bye.